All right, so once you get that all slid onto there and bolted up, it was about, half inch apart, but I just used that bolts to pull it that last half inch, doing a crisscross tightening. And then I didn't actually have a chance to slide this in, so I actually loosened these bolts down here and was able to rock this forward so that I could slide this arm up into the steering control there. Then I just put the oil air filter on. It's a oil-based air filter. I set the gas tank in here, which was kind of tricky. I had to slide it in this way and then set this side down. Put these bolts on. Attach the fuel line here to the carburetor. Let the vent line kind of rebent that so it just hang down there below the tractor. And then I installed the throttle arm here. It's got a spring on top, goes down, another spring down there, comes back and connects to the carburetor. And then after that, I bolted on these arm pieces, relieved the tension that I had put to kind of spread them apart. Bolted those onto there. And then going to the other side of the tractor, see, I still got one more bolt to put on there. It's going to get a new one. Cleaned out the oil filter, put a new one of those on. I mounted the arm brackets. There's one on that side, there's one on this side as well. And I found the easiest way to just kind of hold it from the middle, put this one in, then put this front one in. And then these metal plates, put those on. Connected the starter thing right there. And I got a little bit more wiring to do. I still have to hook up that clutch pedal. I've been kind of neglecting that. I had to get a couple new hoses. Got the hose right here that goes back and connects to the joint that goes all the way back. Just kind of helps keep the fluid flowing. And then I reconnected the intake and the exit and the intake for the pump, hydraulic pump. And I had to get a new one of those as well because I cut the old one when I took it off. It was being such a pain. So now the only thing I have left is to hook up the kill switch and the ignition. And then I need to hook up this front bucket, which has the 3 hydraulic lines here. And then after those 3 hydraulic lines, there's also the hydraulic lines that go into the tops of the rams on either side of the front. After that, it's just going to be a matter of putting on the top, hooking up the battery, and seeing if she'll go.